Hi there. In this video, we will go over AWS Elastic Network Interface. The AWS definition of Elastic Network Interface is that it is a logical networking component in a virtual private cloud that represents a virtual network card. You can create and configure network interfaces in your account and attach them to instances in your VPC. Now, the simple definition of the same terminology above is basically earlier, network interfaces relied on conventional physical networking by connecting computers through cabling and other hardware. An Elastic Network Interface is a software component that connects computers and servers over the internet without the conventional physical cabling and other hardware. Due to this benefit, with the Elastic Network Interface, network connectivity is now enabled for your instances, and having more than one ENI, which is the Elastic Network Interface, connected to your instance allows it to communicate on two different subnets. I will explain this shortly via diagram. Attaching a secondary network interface enables connecting your EC2 instance to two networks at once, which can be very useful when designing the network architecture. Now, if you see over here, we have a virtual private cloud, and this is a specific CIDR block assigned to this virtual private cloud. And within this VPC, we have three different subnets. And each subnet has its own CIDR block. This one has 10.5.0.0/24. This is 10.5.1.0/24. And this is 10.5.6.0/24. Each subnet also has its own EC2 instance. And each EC2 instance is allocated a private IPv4 address from the pool from the subnet. So if you see over here, 10.5.0.89, which is from this pool over here, 10.5.1.142, which is from this pool over here, 10.5.1.0, and this one, the CIDR block is 10.5.6.0, and the IP address assigned is 10.5.6.43. Now, each instance is assigned a default Elastic Network instance known as the primary network interface, which is shown over here as the FO. When you launch an instance, the IPv4 address of the instance is assigned to the primary network interface that's created. So this IPv4 instance of the EC2 instance is assigned to the primary network interface. You cannot detach a primary network interface from an instance. However, you can create and attach additional network interfaces. So in this subnet over here, we have the primary network interface, and then we have created an additional network interface. By having more than one network interfaces connected to your instance, this allows the instance to communicate on two different subnets. So as you can see over here, by attaching an additional ENI, you can now communicate. Subnet 1 is able to communicate via the private IPv4 with the subnet 3 via its private IPv4 without the need for any kind of internet associated with any of the subnets. So this is the simple definition of Elastic Network Interface. I hope you found this useful. Please do hit like or subscribe, and thanks for watching.